Hello students, today we will be doing lesson number 5 in your value education book, that is food. So we all love food. We have different kind of foods like non-veg, veg, street food, है ना? We have different kinds of food and we have different kind of taste buds, right? So we all love food in a way, but we should never waste any food. So this chapter is about food. We will learn about some manners. So you can see a picture here. Mom, dad, sister and brother. They are sitting to eat their food. So now we will read the chapter. Anmol and Charu had completed their homework. Their mother, Miss Damini, laid the table for dinner. Anmol and Charu washed their hands and sat at the table to have their dinner. Their father, Mr. Tarun, also joined them. Before the meal, they prayed, "Dear God, bless us. Be with us as we eat this meal. Thank you, Lord, for giving us this food." Now they began to eat. The rice curry was tasty. The potato fry was yummy. Charu dropped some rice on the floor while eating. Seeing that, Mr. Tarun said to her, "My child, food is a gift of God. Don't waste it. Do you know there are many people around us who do not have meal even once a day?" added Mr. Tarun. "I am sorry, Dad. I'll be careful. I won't drop even a grain of rice hereafter." Miss Damini asked her children to eat slowly and chew the food well. Now here they are eating the food. Anmol proudly said, "I have finished my food and I have not dropped any food." "Very good, that's like a smart boy," said Mr. Tarun with a smile. They ate their dinner happily and washed their hands. They once again thanked God. So moral of the value is, always be thankful to the God for every single meal. So here I want to tell you students that first of all, whenever you are going to eat something, even if you are eating outside or at home, before eating anything, you should first wash your hands. And after eating also, before eating you should wash your hand, and after eating also. And second point here is, before eating we should always thank God for giving us this food. You know, there are so many people in this world who sleep without eating anything. Even a single meal is not there in their house to eat. Even the small children are there on the streets who do not get even a single meal a day. And at our homes, we are getting everything. So, should we waste or should we eat everything? We should eat because we are getting it. So, as you are getting the meal every day, your mom is making for you the food, so you should be thankful to God. Before eating, you should pray to God and thank God for the meal that you have been given. And third point is that when you are eating, you should never waste your food. Never. Even a single drop you should never waste, even if it's water or food. When you eat your rice, not a single rice should be there on your plate. You should finish everything. Because as I told you, there are many people who do not get to eat. So hereafter, you all will eat whatever you get. Okay? Whatever your mama makes, everything you will eat. Okay? You will never waste anything. And you will finish your food. And after eating also, you have to thank God that you got this food, you were able to eat happily. Okay? So you will thank God after your food also. So we have learned many points here about food. And while we are eating something, we should eat slowly and chew properly. Chew means चबाना. Okay? जब आप कोई खाना खाते हो तो आपको अच्छे से चबाना चाहिए, तभी आपको अच्छे से खाना पेट में जाएगा. You will be healthy. Okay? So you should chew your food and eat slowly. कभी भी जल्दी जल्दी खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. That is very bad. Okay? So I will be discussing the same points in the online class also with you. We will be doing this chapter in the online class and I will explain you in Hindi also if you want. Okay? So look at the exercise here. When you get this video and when you are studying the chapter, if you have understood, then you do it, and we will do it again in the class also for your better understanding, so that you do not make any mistakes. We will do this exercise again in the online class. And as I told you, for question and answer, I will be sending you the pics of the question answer in your WhatsApp group, so that there is no confusion of anything. Okay, students? So here I will finish and you will all read this lesson again, and whatever problem you have, whatever words you cannot understand, you will ask me in the online class. We will discuss there properly so that you can understand. Okay? So we will be discussing there also, and also the exercise we will do. I want every one of you to read the chapter again and understand about the food that you are getting every day.